Service Department. This is Kyle Jimenez speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Yes, sir. But before that, may I know who's on the line and your number, please? Or your complete name and your room number, please?
I'm Ian Axel and my room number is 143.
Sir, we have three types of breakfast: continental, traditional, and American breakfast. What would you prefer, sir?
Traditional breakfast.
In traditional breakfast, we offer two types of main course. We have pork adobo with 1 cup of rice and fried chicken with 1 cup of rice. Which one would you like to have, sir?
Pork adobo.
We offer fresh fruits, sir. Would you like to have 2 slices of mango, 2 slices of melon, or 1 piece of banana?
2 slices of mango.
We also offer fresh juice. Would you like fresh mango juice or pineapple juice?
Mango juice.
For the bread, sir, would you like to have a butter or a cheese bread? Cheese bread. How about coffee, sir? We have latte, black coffee, and cappuccino.
Latte, please.
Okay, sir. What time would you like your foods to be delivered, sir?
At exactly 8 in the morning.
Alright, sir. I will repeat the details of your order. You ordered traditional breakfast and it consists of 1 cup of rice with pork adobo, 2 slices of mango, mango juice, cheese bread, and latte. It will be delivered in your room at exactly 8 a.m. Did I get your order right, sir?
Yes, that is correct.
By the way, sir, in what way would you like to settle your bill? Is it in cash, credit card, or charged to your room?
Charge to my room.
Alright, sir. Is there anything else you need, sir?
None so far.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for calling. And if you have some inquiries, don't hesitate to call Vinion's 5-star Hotel Room Service Department. Have a nice day.